Hey guys, I'm here with a gift from the Wella store. I won a contest and they sent me over the free gift. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Let's get started. These goodies. First we have the OPI repair mode. I've actually been looking at this and wanting to try it for some of my clients at the salon. They're little older ladies and their nails are a hot mess, but that's neither here nor there. So I was like, oh, this is great. I don't have to buy it. I can try it before. That's awesome. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. One of my favorite YouTubers, who is also a nail technician, I've seen her use this in several of her videos, and I was kind of wondering how it works, how she liked it. Apparently she does like it because she keeps using it. This is just the instructions, but now I'm gonna get to try it out for myself. That's always a plus, especially since I didn't have to pay for it. This right here is for spa, exfoliating, cuticle, I guess ointment, or however you want to say it. And I will have a video up showing you guys of how I use this stuff, with the exception of the repair. Now here I'm just trying to show you what it looks like. And then I got the brilliant idea to do what some of the girlies do with their collagen. It's like, let's swatch it too. I know that sounds crazy, but that way you can get an idea of what it looks like. So if you happen to go out and buy it and yours doesn't look like this, you can be like, something's wrong with this. I think it's always good to know what your product looks like, just in case, like, you're pulling stuff out when you're doing them in, if you're not really paying attention, then you squeeze it on. Oh wait, this is the wrong step. This one, I think, is the serum. Yes, this is the protective hand serum. Don't mind my nails. I be leaving them things on for a good month and a half. I know y'all have seen them in videos. I just be letting them go. Again, swatching it for you. And all of these products have a spa therapeutic type aroma, kind of like a tea tree with lemon and lime kind of smell. And this one is the protective hand and cuticle cream, I think. It's just me opening it. Of course, it came sealed. And the swatching also kind of helps you guys see the consistency. All of them are thick. And this is the cuticle oil. It's a baby one. It's so cute. It's showing you what the bottle says on the front and the bottom. And this tiny little dropper. It made me kind of wonder, like, where did they get this bottle from? I would love to kind of have some of these to use to sell my client cuticle oil. Like, they got some for Christmas, but I make other scents, so maybe we might want a different one. It would be nice to have legal baby bottles. Although, all jokes aside, I went to Dollar Tree and got the water pens that are refillable in the art section and fill those up with the cuticle oil. Just an idea for you guys. So, like, if you make your own cuticle oil at home, you can make a big bottle, buy one of those little pens, fill that pen up, throw it in your purse, or wherever you want to go, and you get 2 pens in a pack for $1. Can't beat it. Instead of having to go to Amazon and order the little teeny tiny bottles. Like, yeah, no thank you. Dollar Tree, please. And then you just put a little round sticker on it that says cuticle oil. Like, if you're gonna sell it, of course you have to put what's in it to make people aware of that, but so they don't have allergic reactions. And I did inform my clients that if they had a tree nut allergy, not to use one, because I do like coconut oil. This is the massage cream. I just thought that top felt weird for some reason, like it had a bunch of thickness in it, and I wasn't sure why. So of course, you gotta keep your product in there, and your products are expensive nowadays, and make sure you save. It's a thick, buttery consistency, not too oily or greasy. And last but not least, we have the Ultimate Repair shampoo and conditioner. I've never used it, but I'm sure I will try it. We'll see what happens. If it works, if it's good.